Nabasa ko last Sunday sa church, the moment you realize you're swimming in an ocean of God's grace, you stop grabbing. And that's such a beautiful reminder that you don't need to chase, force, or makipag-agawan sa ibang tao sa mga blessing, opportunities, or kung ano man yung mga desires mo because we are already swimming in an ocean of God's grace. And it's an ocean, hindi siya ilog, hindi siya river, hindi siya yung nasa balde lang. We're swimming in an ocean of God's grace. If you just realize, like, you may feel na may kulang pa or hindi pa nasasagot yung mga prayers mo, wala ka ba dun sa gusto mong buhay, but if you could just look at your life right now, how blessed you are, that you're healthy, you have a job, you have your family, you have people who supports you, and if you just realize it, more than looking at what's lacking, ano pa yung wala, ano pa yung kulang, you will stop grabbing. And dito nalalabas yung alam mo kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Kung hindi, okay lang because God has so much better plan for your life. So, yeah, stop grabbing because you're swimming in an ocean of God's grace.